Hey everybody, welcome back. I've got Gigi, and she loves carrots. All right, so I'm gonna give her a carrot. Oh, she loves it. She can hear me crunching on carrots from inside the kitchen. Now, there's a couple things I want you to know right now. I have nothing to sell you. I'm here to help you. For everybody that's doing the fitness thing, keep on trucking. I'll give you a trick. I know, eat carrots, right, to get in shape, but that's not the trick, okay? I don't like to go to bed hungry, and I'm gonna try to go fast. I do not desire to waste your time. I desire to leave you with something that'll help you in your journey, your fitness journey. It's a journey. You're not gonna hit it the first time, but you will get it. Keep on going. You're smart, intelligent, and you don't quit, but you're gonna fall off the wagon. So if you already have, don't worry about it. Tomorrow's a new day. So you've sat down at night, you've almost got your diet figured out, you're a little bit miserable at night. I get it. I'm miserable almost every night for a little while. And then I figured out, eat a carrot. All right, it's low calorie, it's got a ton of fiber in it. You know, that's a good thing, right? Okay, that's not the only thing. That's not the tip. The tip is find something that's low calorie and eat the hell out of it. I eat until my stomach is distended and poking out. I'm bad about binge eating, and I remembered when I first started, I was failing. Every night I was failing on my diet. I was overeating every night. And I said, I'm gonna eat low calorie foods until I'm about to pop, because vegetables are free. You can eat all you want, not potatoes, not fruit, but just all the vegetables you want, like you name it, broccoli, cauliflower, asparagus, carrots raw. Don't cook them, they get kind of sugary. I even eat a little melon, like a quarter or half of a melon. There's just not that much calories in it, and it's what I have to do, okay? So get a big platter and fill that baby up with every kind of vegetable you like, bell peppers and mushrooms, and just go nuts. Spray it. Oh, I gotta show you this. Spray it with olive oil in your olive oil sprayer. This is a 1/4 teaspoon of spray. Psh, psh, psh. All right? And oh, Gigi's taking a crap. That's great. Anyway, spray your vegetables down with a little bit of olive oil. Stick them in your little oven. I have a little oven. You can put them in the big oven. Bake them a little bit. Put salt and pepper. Put whatever seasonings you like, and binge on vegetables, and don't go to sleep hungry. That helps me so much, binging on vegetables at night. I'm able to stay in shape year-round doing this, and I enjoy it, and it's good for you. Now, just keep in mind, I'm trying not to get too graphic here, but you're going to be crapping piles that a show dog couldn't jump over. There's a lot of fiber going on around here, so just know that that's part of it, but it's okay. You're going to get there. You'll figure it out. Now, that's the diet tip. You can click off the video if you want to, but I have something else I need to share with you. So you saw Gigi. She's over there enjoying herself, taking a nice poop. Gigi was dying. She was going to the vet all the time. It was crazy. And so my wife had lupus. We were able to fix her diet, and now she is symptom-free. It's an amazing, amazing thing. I'll talk more about that. If somebody will make a comment about that, I'll talk more about it. But Gigi was having severe trouble, sludge in her liver and stuff like that. And I figured out exactly what she needed to eat. How many carbs, how many fats, and how many proteins. I cooked her food. I just made her food. She's a little dog, doesn't eat that much. Chicken, rice, carrots, sweet potatoes, put it together. See what fat your dog needs and do that. And I fed it to her in the right proportions. She doesn't go to the vet anymore. We don't have vet bills anymore because she's fixed. It's crazy. There's a problem with the food supply, guys. There's a big problem. Juan, you listening? Are you guys trying to get on board? I'm going out of my way to make these videos because I really want to help you guys. I do not look down on anybody that's obese. I'm telling you, I don't even like that word, but I'm telling you the food is addictive. It is so addictive, your palate is messed up. It is hell-bent on eating hyper palatable foods, and you crave it, and you got to have that. I get it. I'm the worst. Trust me. But you can break it. You can break it so much that that carrot will taste like candy. Blueberries, you'll taste. Fruit will taste so amazing. It'll be like, oh, it's the best thing I've ever had. And it's just freaking blueberries. But you got to kind of break yourself with those really crazy, like Cokes. Oh, just don't do a Coke. It's high fructose corn syrup. It's illegal. High fructose is illegal in Europe. It's poisonous. It'll make you fat and sick. If you're going to McDonald's to pick up a McMake Me Sick, just know it's gonna reinstate that craving. It's gonna bam, hammer it in. Yeah, that's good food. That's what my body wants. You know, your body's gonna send you those positive feedback. You know, I gotta have that. I gotta have that. Just do your best and really try to stick with what I'm telling you, what I'm trying to tell you. Now, what I want you to do today, one action to take today, is no matter what you ate today, put it in your calculator. Just do me a favor. I know people are just not going to do that. But you'll learn so much just for that one action. Put whatever you had today, and if you didn't do it today, do it tomorrow. Just get up and put it in there. See where you're at, because here's the thing. I hope nobody's clicked off the video, because here's the thing. If you're eating 5,000 calories a day or 4,000 or whatever, it's probably some obscene number and you don't even know it. All you have to do is eat 3,500 calories. That's a lot of food. It's crazy. So what you don't want to do is go from 5,000 to 1,200 or something stupid. That's dumb. Don't ever do that. You just cut 500 calories and see if you lose weight. That's it. Okay? So do that. One action. You've already taken your fat pictures. You've already went to the grocery store and tried to make a list of things you like that are kind of low calorie. You already started playing with your food calculator. Most people probably quit, but that's okay. I did too. But now, today, you're going to put everything you ate, either if you can remember what you ate today, but tomorrow in the morning, get up and do it. And let me know if you did it. And I want to know how many calories you wound up with. Because it's great news. If you got a bunch of calories, you can just cut just a little bit. You're losing fat. You're losing 1 pound a week, 2 pounds a week. I know it's long and it takes a little while, but it doesn't matter. You're going to be ripped forever. It's a slow, life-changing thing that it's a lifestyle, and we're going to build that lifestyle, and you'll be walking around jacked everywhere you go, all the time. None of this. Look, being obese is the next thing to smoking cigarettes in all-cause mortality. So I'll leave you with that. I'll help you any way I can. Hit the like and subscribe on your way out. I'll see you in the next one. Later.